Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. Into this video, I'm going to be talking about a stock that is about to break out very soon and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's pre-market analysis video right after the intro. All right, y'all. Right off the bat, today was a very interesting day. There was a massive dip. Uh, Once again, near 11 o'clock. All right, a lot of stocks fell. All of the stocks initially had an initial surge before collapsing, and that's all right. That's all right because if you look right now, dip buyers stepped up to the plate and bought the dips again. All right, we're still bullish on the market. The trend is still up. Do not be too terrified right now. It's not looking that bad. I'm not bearish yet. Not yet. I will follow up on this one again in the morning, all right? Now, the stock that is on the thumbnail that all of you are looking at, that stock is IPOE. All right? And the reason why I want to talk about IPOE is because there is a flag right here that's about to break out very soon. If it didn't already break out, all right? It's about to break out. It's right there, right over here. I will follow up on this one in the morning, especially if it opens up at like 24 bucks, right? So keep this one on your watch list for a potential retest of the previous highs. The stock it literally just got out the gates not too long ago. It's holding up its gains, right? It's holding up. Consolidation is the worst possible thing for all of these short sellers who shorted that gravestone doji at the top and they're not seeing the stock collapse like they want to, right? So if this thing pops tomorrow, expect the squeeze. These short sellers are not gonna like it. Honestly, just put yourself in their shoes right now. They would not like this thing if it moved up to the upside and started creeping up towards their stop losses. Okay, so keep this one on your watch list for a continuation of this trend, this very bullish trend right here, right? For a continuation of that. So that's my very honest opinion of that one and why y'all should keep it in your watch list. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The very first one that we're gonna talk about what happened with SNBL, right? We're gonna talk about it. We have to talk about it. We have to talk about this one. Now the stock did phenomenally well. Congratulations to anybody who made money on this, right? It was nice. It was great. I told y'all that I will be selling some as soon as the gate opens. And I did. I sold some more, right? I sold some before and then I sold some after I told y'all to pay yourself because it's very important. So if you look at it, I mean, it's still in the middle of that zone. I drew that circle at when it was at $1.12. It didn't really like go anywhere. It got in here and it stayed in here. And I told y'all to buy the dips at the lows. I think where could this thing go? Let me look over here. I think it could drop just a little bit at first before we see a bounce. Just a little drop, all right, to like $2 before we see a bounce back up to $3. All right. Long term, I'm still bullish on it. I was expecting like I said in the morning, there will be some turbulence around $4. All right. And yeah, the whole market just tanked for a bit, and all of the stocks in this sector collapse with it, and that's completely fine. That's completely normal. Like I said, I warned y'all about the turbulence. So yeah, just in regards to this entire sector, long term bullish, short term treat this one as day trades. All right, day trading only until the bottom is like indeed the bottom, because I do expect it to go down to $2 just a little bit for a little bit before going back up again, and then we can look at it from like a bigger perspective. It has a lot of room to go. I'm not too worried about it and how it's looking right now. All right, so that is my very honest opinion of SNBL for all of you who asked for a follow up on this little penny stock. All right. Now the next one that I will be following up on is TELL. And for those of y'all who watched this morning's video, I told y'all to buy TELL right at the, I mean, pretty much right at the gates. Like it went from 350. I released that video. After that video, it went all the way up to $4. My drawings are still on the chart. I am still holding it. Yes, yes, I am. I'm not bearish at all, and I won't be selling until we get here. All right. So keep this one on your watch list as well. My thoughts and opinions are not changing. It's looking phenomenal, people. It's looking great. It's looking great. The next one that I wanted to address in this video, this stock actually had earnings. And for those of y'all who are brave enough to hold it through earnings, congratulations. The stock didn't spike too much. Like I'm sure a lot of your pupils got really big when you saw it at 198, and then it came right back down. This is like super disappointing. You want to see, like, usually when you buy these YOLO calls right before earnings, you want to see this thing just spike and just stay up here and maybe even go higher the next day, right? Just so you can like collect all of your gains. But this is it's good. It went to the upside for all of you who bought calls, right? It went to the upside, which is nice. But the gains are not that huge. It's not like 10x overnight, but it's still impressive. I like how it beat earnings, for sure. I do like that, and I do think that we're gonna keep going higher. The price target that I had for it was 205. I thought it was gonna get there tomorrow, but apparently it might drag its feet along the way. I think we're gonna get there next week. It's gonna be a little hard because the market is like playing games right now. It's at like negative 0.22%. It's gonna be tough for it to get up there, but given the fact that given the earnings report that it provided and the reaction to it, I'm not bearish on it. My thoughts and opinions are still the same. I do think it can reach $205 very soon. All right. Now the next one that I will be addressing in this video, somebody asked me to do a review on CRSP, CRISP Therapeutics. All right. And right now, CRISP Therapeutics, I think let's see over here on the daily charts. It's looking super bearish, and it looks like short sellers are trying to make another run at it to make money on the way down to like 125. This chart is not. It's looking pretty scary for the longs. All right. The best case scenario for the longs is that it goes sideways. If it goes sideways, then the chances of another squeeze to the upside will be great if it goes sideways. But if it doesn't, you can expect the stock to tank all the way down to like 130. All right. So this is overextended. Again, people are taking their money off the table. If it goes down, great. It will be a wonderful opportunity for it to buy. If it doesn't go down, then just apply patience, and I will cover this one again before a potential squeeze. All right. Now, the next one that I will be covering in this video, that stock is ABBV. And ABBV is showing a very bearish pattern. There's a head and shoulders on here. Like right off the bat, I see that and I'm like, okay. Short sellers want to make some good money off of this. It's not looking good. If you're trying to dip by this thing, be very careful. Number one, I had earnings over here, right? And it gapped up. Actually, let me zoom in. Okay, the earnings was over here. I thought it was over here. They had good or bad earnings. It doesn't matter. But the reaction was good. It had a little option for a bit, and then there's that evening star right at the top. And short sellers took a hold of it, and now it's collapsing. Watch this thing for a collapse all the way down to like 97 bucks, maybe even lower. All right. I'm not bullish on this one. I can't tell you guys to dip by this one. Not with the way it's looking right now. So be very careful if you are trading ABBV. That is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel grow faster, and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. I know this one's a little late. I'm trying to make it earlier. All right. I'm trying to make it earlier. And also the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And also, if all of this is new to you, trading is brand new to you and you would like to get started and you want to learn, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to have all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 4 free stocks after signing up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you tomorrow morning at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens. Enjoy the outro.